put ginger down your throat, and thank me forever. It was a Chinese man who taught me. Here at home, nobody goes to the hospital or spends money at the pharmacy because the Chinese discovered this technique based on a homemade recipe. See this piece of ginger here? It will save your throat from inflammation and pain. This is a closely guarded secret that should be present in every home. So let's start our recipe. You'll only need ginger. It's very simple. Let's start by cutting a piece of ginger. Ginger, for sore throat, is a type of medicine precisely because it has the property of soothing the throat, as well as having an antibiotic action, which helps when the throat is in a critical state. Ginger contains vitamin B6, as well as copper, potassium, and magnesium, which help to strengthen immunity. It has to be this size. Now you're going to take a fork and stick it into the ginger. In this way, we're going to put this piece of ginger on the fire. You'll heat it until you notice that it has softened a little. This will help to apply it to your throat and also release the medicinal properties of ginger, treating inflammation, redness, dry cough, difficulty swallowing, and bad breath. And can you tell me which city you're coming from? And there you have it. Now just apply a little Vicks Vapor Rub on top of the ginger. Just like I'm showing you. Are you ready? Now I'll show you how to use it. It's very simple. You'll take this convinced ginger and apply it directly to your neck. Then simply cover the area with the cloth. You can leave it on for at least 1 hour. The result is impressive. You'll already feel relief the moment you apply it. I'm sure you'll love today's tip. Now I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you should use ginger every day. Pain Eliminator Ginger has natural analgesic properties and is therefore able to relieve pain. It helps the body absorb nutrients. Want to get in shape? Ginger can help your body better absorb the supplements and nutrients needed for a healthier life. Eliminates nausea. Just a little ginger is needed to combat nausea or any other intestinal discomfort. Treats sinusitis. The root helps clear the sinuses, being a great natural ally in the fight against sinusitis. Helps with weight loss. Ginger helps to reduce the accumulation of fat, which is why it is very common to use this ingredient in detox products. Thank you so much for sticking around. We always send a special hug in our videos. Today's hug goes out to all the people who watch and follow us here. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to tag people so they can watch this video. Type it in the comments. How would you rate this natural recipe from 0 to 10? I want to know if you've got this far and liked what you've tried this. And darchaf, and try Caris. Leave the phrase I want more below in the comments. When the video finishes, I'll be there to thank you and answer any questions. Oh, and if you want to help me with this project, just like and share the video with someone. This motivates me to post more and more videos. Big hugs to everyone, and thank you very much for sticking around. Your company has been very important. May God bless you and all your family.